Mirror of your eyes. Mirror of your eyes.
Screens flicker over moving faces, color racing through the room. You lean into the open sound like the night arrived too soon. No breaks inside the moment, no reason to rewind. We let the tempo set the speed and leave the rest behind.
No signals asking questions, no answers left to find. The flow keeps pulling forward out of time. When the lights move